A $190,000 legend reborn, this 1969 Dodge Charger RT Restomod hides a 512 psi monster under the hood, built to destroy the streets while wearing one of Mopar's most iconic faces. What happens when one of the most legendary muscle cars ever created is rebuilt without limits? You get a machine that doesn't just carry history, it dominates the modern world. This is the 1969 Dodge Charger RT Restomod, a breathtaking fusion of classic Mopar design, race-inspired engineering, and unstoppable V8 power. With a price tag of $190,000, this Charger represents the highest level of craftsmanship, performance, and automotive passion. At first glance, this Charger looks like it rolled straight out of the golden era of American muscle. The aggressive body lines, iconic proportions, and unmistakable silhouette instantly remind you why the 1969 Charger became a legend. But beneath the timeless styling is a completely transformed performance machine designed for today's roads. Finished in a stunning snakeskin green metallic paint, this Charger commands attention from every angle. The deep metallic finish highlights every curve of the body, from the sculpted front end to the muscular rear quarters. The black painted hood adds a sinister, racing-inspired appearance, while the classic rear bumblebee stripe completes the legendary RT look. Up front, the Charger features its famous hideaway headlights, giving it the aggressive expression that made this generation unforgettable. The electric headlight actuator ensures smooth operation while maintaining the original muscle car character. Chrome bumpers provide the perfect contrast against the modernized finish, while the blacked-out side mirrors, vent windows, and door handles create a stealthy performance appearance. The rear of this machine continues the perfect blend of classic and modern. Sequential LED taillights bring modern technology into the vintage design, creating a dramatic lighting signature that looks incredible at night. Every detail, from the Charger and RT emblems to the NASCAR-style fuel filler, has been carefully selected to honor the original racing heritage. But the true heart of this beast is hidden beneath the hood. This Charger RT Restomod is powered by a built-in balanced 512 psi stroker V8 engine, a massive big block powerhouse created for serious performance. This engine combines classic Mopar muscle with modern reliability, delivering the kind of torque and excitement that made American V8s legendary. The engine is equipped with Indy EZ-1 aluminum cylinder heads, a Holley carburetor, and a Mopar performance intake manifold designed to maximize airflow and performance. Custom aluminum valve covers add a premium finishing touch, while the MSD distributor ensures dependable ignition and consistent power delivery. Additional upgrades include an oil catch can, Wizard performance radiator, and an oil cooler system designed to keep this high-performance engine running strong even under demanding conditions. This is not simply a restored classic. It is a carefully engineered performance machine. The power travels through a Hughes performance-built A727 Torqueflite 3-speed automatic transmission, a legendary Mopar transmission upgraded to handle the extreme output of the stroker engine. A dedicated transmission cooler provides additional reliability, allowing this Charger to deliver confidence every time the throttle opens. Putting that power to the ground is a serious drivetrain setup. Out back, this Charger features a Dana 60 rear end with a strange engineering housing, a 3.73 gear ratio, and a posi differential designed for maximum traction. Combined with Caltrax rear suspension and sliding shackles, this setup gives the Charger the ability to launch hard while maintaining control. The suspension system has been upgraded throughout. The front features torsion bar suspension, reinforced front control arms, a strengthened K-member, and a front sway bar. Frame ties and additional chassis reinforcement improve rigidity, creating a driving experience that feels far more advanced than the original muscle car platform. The stance is completed by Billet Specialties 15-inch wheels wrapped with aggressive performance tires. The front uses 26 by 8.00 RT 15 LT tires, while the rear features massive 29 by 15.00 RT 15 LT tires, giving this Charger the perfect muscular appearance. Topping power comes from Wilwood performance disc brakes on all 4 corners, providing modern braking performance to match the incredible horsepower. With manual steering and a carefully tuned chassis, this Charger delivers a raw and connected driving experience that true muscle car enthusiasts appreciate. The exhaust system adds another level of excitement. Featuring TTI full-length ceramic-coated headers, custom 3-inch pipes, and Dynamax mufflers, this Charger produces the unmistakable sound of a powerful Mopar V8. Every press of the accelerator creates a soundtrack that reminds everyone why classic American muscle cars became legends. Underneath, this build receives the same attention to detail as the exterior. The floor is finished with black undercoating, stainless steel fuel lines provide durability, and an in-tank fuel pump ensures reliable fuel delivery. The widened rear wheel wells and custom dual exhaust complete a chassis built for both performance and presentation. Inside, the Charger combines classic styling with modern upgrades. The black interior maintains the original muscle car atmosphere with stock-style finishes and front bucket seats. But behind the wheel, modern touches appear with autometer dashboard gauges, a custom carbon fiber overlay dash, custom pedals, and a TCI floor shifter. This interior creates the perfect environment for controlling a machine that blends the past and future together. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT Restomod is more than a classic car. It is a statement of power, craftsmanship, and passion. It represents an era when muscle cars ruled the streets, combined with modern engineering that makes them even more capable today. With its 512 side-stroker V8, reinforced chassis, legendary styling, and premium upgrades, this $190 Charger is not just built to be admired in a collection. It is built to be driven, heard, and remembered. This is what happens when a Mopar icon receives no compromises, a timeless American legend transformed into a modern street weapon. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT Restomod isn't just a car, it's a piece of muscle car history reborn.